In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Monday.com. We'll walk through the process inside Monday.com, starting from the moment you log in, and by the end you'll have an automation running that keeps your HubSpot data in sync with a Monday board. I'll explain what you're clicking and why, so you understand how everything fits together. First, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, look over at the left-hand side panel and choose the specific board you want to connect to HubSpot. This is important because the integration and its automations will apply only to this board. With that board open, move your eyes to the top right area of the screen. There, you should see an option labeled Integrate. Go ahead and click that, and a pop-up window will appear. This is where all of Monday.com's integration options live. Inside the pop-up, there's a search bar. Click into it, type HubSpot, and press enter on your keyboard. After a moment, you'll see HubSpot appear in the search results. Click on HubSpot, and Monday.com will show you a series of integration templates. Each template is a pre-built automation that connects actions in HubSpot with actions in your Monday board. Browse through them and find the one that best matches what you want to achieve. When you're ready, click Use Template on the card of the template you want. At this point, the pop-up will reload. If you haven't connected your HubSpot account to Monday.com yet, you'll be guided through a quick sign-in and authorization process. Just follow the prompts on screen to allow Monday.com to access your HubSpot data. If you've already connected HubSpot before, Monday.com will simply ask you to choose which existing connection you want to use. Once the connection is set, you'll configure the automation itself. You'll see a sentence that describes what the automation does, with certain words highlighted in color. These highlighted parts are clickable and editable. For example, you might see something like, when a new contact is created in HubSpot list, create an item and sync all future changes from HubSpot. In this case, list and item are typically highlighted. Click on list and a drop-down will appear showing your available HubSpot lists. Select the specific list you want Monday.com to watch for new contacts. Then click Item. A new window will open where you can map how each column in your Monday board should pull in data from HubSpot fields. Take a moment here to match the right HubSpot properties, such as name, email, or status, to the appropriate columns on your board. When you're satisfied with the mapping, click Done to confirm. To finish things up, click Create Automation. Your integration is now live. From here, you can explore other HubSpot templates and see what additional automations might help you keep your sales, marketing, or support workflows even more connected between HubSpot and Monday.com.